Referential questions are questions that are factual. Okay, so when you see any question beginning with according to the passage or as per the passage or what does the author state or indicate, those are referential questions. So we have question number 1 as a referential question. Then we have question number 7 as a referential question. Yeah. Now let us try to solve question number 1 and 7. So the point you need to understand in a referential question is that referential questions are factual in nature. It's testing us only on facts. Okay, let's look at the question. The narrator indicates that Bella perceives Sanjay as dash. So which part talks about Bella perceiving Sanjay? Where does he basically say? How does Bella perceive Sanjay? Yielding to it. You might not have to go back to the passage and read. In case if you're not able to answer, then you can go back to the part where they talk about Bella giving her opinion about Sanjay.
Yeah. She describes him something like a teenager, right?
Like a teenagerish defense, right? Somewhere
Yeah,
they say about that, right?
it's right in the middle.
Yeah, she hated how at times
14.
Sanjay, yeah, as although masterful, just last week she fought her neighbor, right? But generally she regressed into a teenagerish difference. When he meets Bishu, he just goes into a teenagerish because she is married, and at that age, going into a teenagerish difference may not be applicable, may not be good, right? So it's
Hmm.
very clear that, yeah. So with that, what can you say? What could be the answer?
Yielding to readily.
Yes, it's option A. Got it. So this is basically a factual question. You can see the nature of the question, right? The narrator indicates Bella perceives Sanjay as what? As a person who is clearly giving into Bishu's guidance. Clear?